Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Anora and I am back with another video, guys. On today's video, creating a wig cap. Like, I got this 360 lace closure, be doing a wig cap, and I got 3 bundles of Brazilian hair. I want to be creating a wig with it, so I ordered this closure in 16 inches. I made a mistake. Like, I clicked on the 16 inches of the 360 lace closure, of which this one is 26 inches. I supposed to have ordered for 20 or 22 inches at least, but I made a mistake and I pressed on the 16 inches. So I will manage the 16 inches for the wig cap that I'm about to do. So let's just go ahead and do the wig cap and see how it turns out. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. Let's just get into the video and see how we're gonna pretty look. And thank you, the new subscribers to my channel. I can see you all out there. You are so much welcome to my world. On my channel, I do a lot of stuff. I do wig tutorial, I do review, I do talk, I do everything on my channel. Okay, so welcome to my channel, welcome to the fun channel. You can see anything we do, work out, like everything we do on this channel, so you're much welcome. So doing this week, you need your bundles and your closure, and definitely you need your scissors, and you need some thread and needles. So I need this black cap to fit it on my mind so I can sew my bundles on it. So I'll just go in now and I place the cap. So when I'm done fitting in my cap and I fit in my 360 lace closure, and you open it from the inside, and you can use some bobby pins. You can use some bobby pins just to secure it, so when you're sewing it doesn't move. So you just use some bobby pin and you secure it from here. You just use a bobby pin and secure it round. As you all know, Anora's mannequin, my mannequin got an accident, so it has still not been taken to the hospital. So guys, you just go in now. When you're done in slaying it down, you just go in now and start sewing. Like, you will start the first line, you're gonna take it from where the closure ended. Like you can see from here, I'm gonna sew from here first, round this area where the closure ends. Not here, like where the hair itself ends. That's the first place I'm gonna slay it down from there. So as you guys can see, I've sewed the first line, so now I'm into the second one. So I'll just make my way through. I don't like to always cut down to cut the extra of my closure. That is why you see me sewing it in two different steps. So guys, now we'll just move now to the bundles, and I'm done with that. I'll just go now with the bundles and start in with my sewing. And going with your sewing, you need to just take it right from where you started with your, right from down where the lace closure started. As you can see it from here, I hope you guys can figure it out. You take it from here, you bring it right up to this end, and you flip it over. So you take it this way, you just take it back and forth, back and forth. So that's how you have to sew in the hair. I'm just moving into the sewing. So when I'm sewing my 360 lace closure, I always like to to make it as a C form. I always like to sew it as a C form. So thank you so very much for watching right up to this moment. If you watch right up to this moment, I'm really grateful for you. Thank you so much. And please, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my video when I upload any. So I'll just continue sewing and flipping it over right up to the end of. Just continue sewing right up to the end of the closure. And when sewing your wig cap, you should always make sure you give it a very firm sewing, because you don't want, when you want to comb your wig and you start having some part falling out from it. So I always advise you to always make sure you give it that firm sewing and give it the short steps to fill the wig cap. And make sure you don't give a lot of space in your sewing. You can see I keep a space just for a finger. In all my sewing, I keep a space just for my finger, like a finger, just one finger, because I want the wig to be really full. As you can see, all the distance I give contains just one of my finger. So let's just continue with our sewing. Yeah, so guys, we are there at the last point of the video. As you can see, this is the last part left. So you just go in now and you place it here, and you make sure you link the two together. So when you tuck it here good, when you think you've tucked it enough here, you just go ahead and make your way through with the sewing. You can easily sew on the same spot you sew your closure. So you just take it like this. Do not forget to always link it with your closure, because that will help you when you want to style the hair. There wouldn't be any space between your closure and your bundle. So you just go ahead and link the both together. As you can see, this is how it's looking like. You can figure it out where the. So I'll just make it right up to this other side, and I think I'm gonna cut the hair because a little bit long. Okay guys, so when I'm done, this is how the hair is right now. As you can see, this is a line. This is where the closure and the bundle ended. You can't even figure it out if you don't open it. So this is how your closure, your 360 closure should always look like when you sew it round. So I just go in now and I take off the mannequin and I cut the leftover cap, as you all know. So guys, this is how the wig cap is right now. Some of the pins refuse to come out, so I'm just gonna cut the leftover with the pins on it, because I'm freaking tired and I need to rest, you know. So guys, this is how it is from inside. This is how the wig it is from inside right now. So guys, this is how the wig turns out. This is how it is right now. So I will be coming up with a video on how it looks on my hair and how I'm gonna pre-pluck the hair and how I'm gonna style it on my hair. For today, it's just all about how I made this wig. So guys, I love you all so very much. I definitely will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye, peace out.